video, we're going to cover how to use the productivity form. And then we're going to take a look at some of the things it can show us. For this, we're going to be using the sales versus labor report, which is found in Pulse, Back Office, Management, Operations, Reports, Management, and then you'll find the sales versus labor report. Now this report, we're going to look at 3 columns of data: the time interval, the net sales, and then the labor hours for that particular hour. And then we're just going to match each line up. So 11 a.m., 3:08.57, and then 4 hours of labor. This will ultimately give us an individual sales per man hour. There's 2 ways you can do this. You can manually add up the sales and the labor hours for that shift. So in this case, open to 4, and then divide those sales by your labor hours. In this case, it'll give us 2707 SPMH. Or you can download this table that is available in an Excel file via the website. In this, you'll simply put the employee's name for the shift and then just transpose the labor hours and the sales, and then the rest will automate for you, giving you a sales per hour for each shift. Transposing that data in the labor hours and the sales columns will automatically sum up your sales. It will sum up your labor hours, and then we'll divide that to come up with your individual sales per man hour per shift. To get your 1-minute load times and your individual shift wait and service times, you're going to go to the wizardline.com. From here, you're just going to select a store on the left-hand side, and then a begin date and end date range, and then click on miscellaneous. From miscellaneous, you're simply going to scroll down to service by time. And what this is going to do is going to bring up a couple buckets of time. For the productivity form, you could just use the default buckets, open to 4, rush, and then what we call 8 to close. And then you're going to click the service by time button behind it to run the report. And so from this report, you'll see it's labeled in the buckets there. You'll get your individual totals for your 1-minute loads, and then your individual wait times and CDOT for your individual shift. On the productivity form, you're only going to record your shift.
Created using Powtoon.